In a world where the pace of life often seems to accelerate, the allure of cultivating a home garden filled with medicinal plants has never been more appealing. Beyond their aesthetic charm, these green companions harbor a wealth of natural remedies. Explores the best medicinal plants to grow at home, unlocking the potential of your personal apothecary. 1. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller. Often referred to as the plant of immortality, aloe vera is a staple in home gardens for its soothing gel. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, aloe vera offers relief for minor burns, cuts, and skin irritations. The gel can be applied topically or ingested for its internal healing properties. 2. Lavender, Lavandula sp. With its enchanting fragrance and vibrant purple blooms, lavender is a multifaceted medicinal plant. Known for its calming properties, lavender can be dried and used in sachets for relaxation. Essential oil extracted from the plant is celebrated for its stress-relieving and sleep-inducing qualities. 3. Peppermint, Mentha piperita. Peppermint, with its invigorating aroma and refreshing taste, is a versatile medicinal herb. It aids digestion, eases headaches, and relieves respiratory issues. Harvest leaves for tea or use them topically in poultices for headaches or muscle tension. 4. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla. Chamomile, renowned for its calming properties, is a gentle yet potent herb. Its flowers can be harvested and dried for a relaxing tea that promotes sleep and eases digestive discomfort. Chamomile is also used topically for skin conditions and eye irritations. 5. Echinacea, Echinacea purpurea. Boosting the immune system, Echinacea is a valuable addition to any home garden. The plant's roots and flowers contain compounds that stimulate the immune response, making it an effective remedy for colds and respiratory infections. 6. Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis. Beyond its culinary uses, rosemary is a medicinal herb with cognitive and circulatory benefits. Rich in antioxidants, it supports memory and concentration. The essential oil may be used for aromatherapy to enhance mental clarity. 7. Calendula officinalis. Known for its vibrant orange and yellow blooms, calendula is a potent anti-inflammatory and skin-healing herb. Its petals can be infused into oils or salves to soothe skin irritations, minor wounds, and rashes. 8. Turmeric, Curcuma longa. Heralded for its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric is a powerhouse spice with numerous health benefits. The rhizome, with its active compound curcumin, can be grown and used fresh or dried. Incorporate it into cooking or make a golden paste for its anti-inflammatory effects. 9. Holy basil, Ocimum sanctum, also known as tulsi. Holy basil is revered in Ayurvedic medicine for its adaptogenic properties. It helps the body cope with stress, supports the immune system, and provides relief from respiratory conditions. Harvest leaves for teas or tinctures. 10. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis. A member of the mint family, lemon balm is prized for its calming and mood-enhancing effects. The leaves can be used for teas to alleviate stress, anxiety, and promote better sleep. Cultivating a garden of medicinal plants at home not only adds beauty to your surroundings, but also offers a natural pharmacy at your fingertips. These versatile plants provide remedies for common ailments while fostering a deeper connection to nature. As you embark on this journey of cultivating healing herbs, remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and ensure that these plants align with your individual health needs. Embrace the holistic benefits of a homegrown apothecary and witness the transformative power of nature's pharmacy unfolding in your very own garden.